I'm Josh with Supply and Demand, and we're going to do easy repairs of a Hisense fridge. Before we get started, let's go over some important safety information. Start by removing all of the shelves from the fridge door. To remove the shelf cover, push against the tab and gently pull the hinge away from the door. Continue to remove the last two shelves. Start with the corner of the gasket. It should pull away as you peel it. Do this for all four corners and sides. We're going to replace the old gasket with a Supply and Demand refrigerator fresh food door gasket. This gasket has a simple tongue and groove construction. Simply start with the corner and press it until it's flush with the rest of the door. Do this for all four corners and sides. Put the shelves back into corresponding places. To replace the shelf covers, slide the hinge back into its original position, and then on the other side, pull the tab and gently slide into place.